In this section, we'll go over the expat spouse problem in more detail and understand who are the expat spouses, what many of us have in common, and despite these commonalities, how personal and unique the problem is for each one of us. I've already mentioned the expat spouse problem a couple of times. Let me explain what I mean by it. I'll start by reading this definition and then break it down. Each expat spouse should readjust to their new situation in a way that allows them a full, healthy, and happy life. An optimal solution should 1. Handle the difficulties of settling in for ourselves and our dependents. 2. Make the best out of the new possibilities available to us. 3. Consider both short-term and long-term aspects of life. So when I say each expat spouse, I want to emphasize that each of us is facing a unique situation that needs to be solved by our own individual standards. This is a very personal problem. By a new situation, I mean both the life in any specific host country and our new nomadic lifestyle if we are going to move around the world more than once. When I say full, healthy, and happy, I mean we should consider the implications of our early decisions on the rest of our life. For example, what happens when we retire if we have scattered pension deposits in 7 different countries? Or what happens if we lived for 20 years as dependents of our spouse and end up divorced when we're 50? I want to emphasize the second point of the solution. Make the best out of the new possibilities available to us. Moving abroad offers many difficulties and struggles to overcome. Sure, I'll talk about them at length in this course. But it also allows us to reinvent ourselves, to experience new worlds and points of view, to meet people we never would have known otherwise, and generally, to turn our lives into an adventure instead of routine. Now, I'm not trying to undermine the value of routine. It's very important, especially after several years of constant changes. But I'd argue that if life was only routine, it could get quite boring, and we'd definitely not make the most out of life this way. As expat spouses, we're looking for the balance between the sanity and comfort of some routine in our lives and the mind-expanding wonders of some adventures. Now that we have a better understanding of what is this problem that we're trying to solve, let's talk about the details.